Hey, Grace.
Papa?
Does Uncle Kevin wear a diaper? Does Uncle Kevin wear a diaper?
Yeah.
Uncle Kevin wears a diaper? Wow.
Going to cook the fish?
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
Why are we going to cook them?
Look, see.
No, we just eat the big ones. That one, they are babies. We don't cook them. Would you like to eat that?
Yeah.
The one in the tank?
Yes.
Why? You like to eat?
It's my puppy.
No, we don't eat
It's
them.
my puppy.
Guys, ang cute nila. Mapapamahal na naman ako dito sa mga isdang to. Buti goldfish yung pinili niya. Kasi yung betta fish, meron ako dati noon. Mag-isa lang siya kasi hindi siya pwedeng samahan ng kasama. Dahil ibang attitude ng mga betta fish, diba? Cute sila. Meron ako dating isda na ganyan din, pero hindi malaki yung niya. Bilugan, tas mas mataba siya dito. Buti ito daw hindi lumalaki. Namatay. Yun, umiyak ako nung namatay yun. Tapos, meron yung betta fish nga, red siya. Tumalon galing dun sa kasi nakabukas yung kanyang fish tank. Hindi siya ganito. Basta parang bowl lang siya, fish bowl lang siya. Tumalon ba naman, guys? Kaya yun, takot na takot ako, hindi ko siya mapulot. Ayun, hindi ako yung napulot. Binalik siya ulit sa sa kanyang bahay. Ito yung, kasi hindi nakasya, kasi maliit lang yung nabili niya na house nila. So, dito ko na lang nilagay yung design sa labas. Tsaka itong parang parang kay SpongeBob, na house ni SpongeBob. Meron pa yan, hindi ko pa natanggal yung niya. Wait, nasan ba yun? Saan na yun? Ay, lumabas. Ayan, kay SpongeBob siya. Yan. So, gusto kasi ni Hadasa, kasi every time pupunta ng Walmart, nagsasabi siya na, "Can I please see the fish? Can I please see the fish?" So, yan. Meron din kaming ganyan, kapag Christmas, hindi, nililigpit ko pa. Pero konti lang, hindi madami. Ito yung food nila. Niligpit ko pa tong isang to. Tatabi ko yan. Ang dami ko pang inaayos dito sa bahay, guys. So, ayan. Balikan natin sila fish. Sana hindi sila mamatay sa aking pangangalaga. Ayan.
Daddy. Oh, duck. Daddy. Daddy. Let's go fast. Look.
Where's the baby duck?
Duck.
Where's the mommy duck?
Mommy duck.
Where's daddy duck?
Dad duck.
Oh, I see your baby.
Yes.
Okay, where's your baby duck?
Big duck.
Oh, what's the name of your baby duck?
Big duck.
It's a Plecostomus.
It's you.
Oh.
It eats the fish poop and algae, so it keeps the tank clean. Every fish tank needs Plecostomus.
Daddy. I fish.
You like it? Thank you for watching. See you again next week. Have a great day and great week. Stay happy.